Hey guys, today I did a live recording at the local Dairy Queen to benefit the Duke Children's Hospital. And I had a pretty special announcement to share too.
It's an unveiling! Hey, thanks to everyone for coming out for the DQ Miracle Treat Day. Every purchase of blizzards, that's staying locally here. That money is going to the Duke Children's Hospital. So thank you so much for all of your contributions and for coming out to this. So I'm really excited to announce the limited edition freezerburns.com Blizzard. You can get it here. Go to triangledq.com, any one of those 4 locations. It is a secret menu item, so you have to ask for it. Okay? Only comes in a large size because that's how I roll. And I'm proud to announce that the special limited edition freezerburns.com Blizzard is chocolate, peanut butter, and 6 strips of bacon. You can get that right now if you guys go in and ask for the freezerburns.com Blizzard. Again, it comes in a large size. It's $5. Buy it today because it will donate to the Duke Children's Hospital, and we're gonna review this.
That's bacon. That's bacon.
Where's David? David called it. What do you think, Shane? Good, right? What's that?
That's not a good bacon. No, that's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. That's some high quality bacon.
Sweet and savory.
Yeah, it is. I recommend it.
So, let me tell you what this has, okay? It says 18 ounces of vanilla soft serve, 3 ounces of Reese's peanut butter cups, 2 ounces of chocolate chunks, and 6 strips of bacon.
That is great. That is great. And in fact, seriously, if you don't believe, let's see here, I'm going to take this up to the camera again. But if you don't believe
make sure you
it,
take it up to the...
Yeah, I will.
That strip?
That is some real honest to goodness bacon there. These are great tastes. It tastes great together. Here,
Good?
Yeah.
I'll try it.
I'm gonna have one.
There we go.
I'll get a spoon. I'll go have one.
What's interesting about this is like, not only is it like sweet, but you chew it. It's got that nice like salty bacon flavor.
And move this a little.
Oh, Shane.
There we go. Wow, that's good. It's like a chocolate ham.
If this goes viral, I might lose my franchise license, but it's worth it.
God, I hope not.
It's worth it.
I hope you don't lose your franchise license.
Look, the public says yes, they like it.
Good, right?
Approved. Right?
I mean, not only does it have a good bacon taste, but the peanut butter and the bacon, just, yeah, it's a salty. So as you can see, guys, I'm super psyched to have a Blizzard inspired by Freezer Burns. I couldn't think of a better way to incorporate what my show is all about with blizzards. And I remember when we were first talking about it, I mean, it wasn't, no, we didn't go around and say this, no, maybe this, no, it was like, bacon, how do we make this happen?
Here's our core ingredient. How do we make it?
Let's build around
it.
The bacon.
The R&D really had nothing to do with different combinations. It was really just what combination can we make palatable with bacon.
Right. And the chocolate and the peanut butter, love it. Once again, this is the limited edition Freezer Burns DQ Blizzard. Chocolate, peanut butter, bacon, 6 strips of bacon, all mixed into a large, only comes in a large, $5, only at triangledq.com.
Wait a second, how many strips of bacon?
6, Shane, 6 strips of bacon. That's crazy. That's half a dozen to me.
Yeah, you got waivers to buy there.
So,
yeah, that's amazing.
Go to triangledq.com to find the nearest location where you can order the limited edition Freezer Burns Blizzard.